Welcome back, guys. Now we are discuss one Apex report type interactive grid. How to create an interactive grid report, guys. There are basic difference between interactive grid and grid is that in interactive grid, user and user can update or insert or delete record from report. But in simple interactive report, user can't do this. So guys, stay with me. I'm creating page report interactive grid. Press next. Navigation menu. This name will be shown in the navigation menu. Press table. I'm creating report on item table. Create. All report has been created and ready for use. I'm going to press next play button. As you can see in this grid and interactive grid report, there is slightly difference. You can check here. In the last we created interactive report. This is interactive. This is interactive grid. In interactive grid, user can change record. How to change? No, I'm telling how to do. And user, I'm going to attribute. Press on attribute. Enable or switch on. Enable. Press save. This attribute would be shown on the top of the report. You can see edit, save, add row. When you double click any, you can update car, delete car. You can add row. So friend, this is a basic difference between interactive and interactive grid. When you press on interactive grid, when you pressing any anything you press, user can't edit update. But in this attribute, Apex not provided any enable attribute which Oracle Apex provided in interactive grid. You can see you can change record and for one you can change any. When I press attribute at the top of edit, this function only provided in a reporting tool in interactive grid. So guys, please stay with me for more video. You can change column attribute from this any. You can change heading, you can change identification, you can change setting, layout, you can everything change from this. Please stay with me guys. Another thing which I want to discuss you, this showing the table view. If you wanna see this query, you can select from table. You can select SQL query. Apex created query for you. Okay, you can update table, update query. You can add column. You can query builder press from here. Okay, when you add column here, that column will be shown in this report. Okay guys, please stay with me. Subscribe to my channel. Take care. Please subscribe You Vibes. I'm Ali Akbar. Thank you. Bye.